Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. On today's video, I'm going to prepare this powerful tea spray that is very effective in growing your hair super faster, thickening up your hair, stop hair fall, hair breakage. Please, what you need to do is to watch this video to the end to see how to prepare the tea spray and also how to use it for best results. First thing is to bring my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is gloves. Does gloves grow your hair? Yes, gloves grow your hair super faster. Gloves have property that can stimulate faster hair growth, thicken up your hair, promote faster hair growth. Gloves is very good if used correctly. Maybe you may be using gloves in a wrong way, that's why it seems like it's not growing your hair. Guys, gloves does grow hair. Just keep on watching to see how to use it to boost that hair growth to your heart desire. So what I do now, I scoop out 2 tablespoons of my gloves into my jar container. Moving on to my next ingredient is hibiscus. Guys, if you are not incorporating hibiscus on your hair regimen, please, after watching this video, try to incorporate hibiscus flower on your hair regimen. Hibiscus helps to stimulate hair growth, stop hair fall, darken your hair in no time, especially if you're looking for a way to darken your hair. Hibiscus flower is that natural remedy that will help you to darken your hair with no time, okay? And also, it boosts faster hair growth and it conditions your hair. Don't joke with hibiscus flower, okay? So next thing I do now, I put that a little pieces of hibiscus flower. I don't like adding too much of my hibiscus flower because hibiscus flower stains, okay? But if you don't mind, or whenever you are using hibiscus flower, I would advise you to wear black cloth. Do not wear color cloth because it's definitely going to stain that your t-shirt, okay? After then, I pour in my hot water into my jar container that contain my ingredients. So after pouring the hot water, this is what I have so far. I'm going to keep this away to infuse for 2 days. You hear me correctly. I've been infusing this for 2 days, guys. Yes, meaning 48 hours. After infusing my ingredient for 48 hours, this is what I have so far. Do you see how dark this recipe is? This will grow your hair 10 times faster. Keep on watching to see how to apply it to get that best result. If you click out at this moment, believe me, you'll be missing the instruction on how to use this for your hair not to break out, for you to see that best result you're supposed to see in using this recipe. Guys, this recipe will grow your hair 10 times faster. You will see the results once application time. If you are looking for a remedy that will stop your hair fall, hair shedding, this recipe is that. If you are looking for natural remedy that will help to boost faster hair growth, darken your hair, stop your itching scalp, this recipe is that. So just keep on watching to see how to apply it to get that amazing results you desire, okay? So what I did now, I bring my bowl and my shifter to shifter it to collect my tea spray. After collecting my tea spray, I transfer into my spray bottle for easy application. This is what I have so far, guys. This tea spray is so potent. Like as I said before, this tea spray is all you need to grow that your hair this year, is all you need to thicken up your hair, is all you need to stop that hair fall if you use it correctly, okay? So this is the stage of my hair. I'm going to use this now to hydrate my hair. My hair is in cornrows. Guys, using this product, whether you have protective hairstyle or not protective hairstyle, you need to use this product. So part that you have access to your scalp, you are good to go, okay? So like if your hair is in cornrows, mini braid, mini twins without extension, this is the perfect time to use this recipe to grow down your hair. Before you take down that your protective hairstyle, your hair will never remain the same. You see how thicker your hair will become. You see how less breakage you will got. You see how darker your hair will become. if you use it consistent. Okay guys, the another way to use this recipe is final thing rinse. But if you use this recipe as a leave-in tea spray, do not forget to moisturize your hair. If you do not see in the moisture with your leave-in condition or your hair butter, follow up with your oil, guys, this will breaking off your hair. Do not just apply this tea spray on your hair without moisturizing your hair. Use a good moisturizer sealant to see in the tea spray on your hair, so that this tea spray will sit on your hair and do that great work it's supposed to do on your hair. Okay, after applying the tea spray on my hair, I use my hair butter to see in the moisture and follow up with my oil, so that this tea spray will sit on my hair and do that work it's supposed to do on my hair. This is the part that you no need to skip. Don't skip this part by not sealing in the moisture with leave-in condition on hair butter. I know why I'm repeating this. Some of you experiencing hair breakage whenever I use gloves on your hair, because you are not sealing in the moisture. You are not using a good leave-in condition or a good hair butter to see in that moisture. Okay, that is the causes of the breakage. Try to moisturize your hair, and also the hibiscus on it can also help to condition the hair, but it's very necessary you use your leave-in condition or your hair butter to see in the moisture. In that way, this tea spray is safe on your hair. How many times can you apply this tea spray on your hair to get that best results? Apply this tea spray on your hair 3 times in a week. If you want to apply this tea spray on your hair, apply it once daily. Please do not apply it more than once daily. I repeat, if you want to apply this every day on your hair, do not apply it more than once daily. Just apply it once daily. Maybe 1 week time or 2 weeks time, you see change if you want to go on challenge on that. But if you are not going on challenge on this recipe, apply it 3 to 2 times weekly. Okay, you are good to go. Storage, this can last only about 5 days in your refrigerator. Anyone that remain after 5 days, please discard it. In that case, just make a little batch so that you will not be wasting your product. Especially gloves is very expensive in Africa right now. I don't know where you are, whether it's the expensive, but in Africa, gloves is very expensive. So don't waste your product. Like mine, I also use this on my daughter hair, and also I also give some out. Okay, so I'm not wasting my product. Okay, so don't waste your product. Okay, after applying it on your hair, do not forget to give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Okay, it's very necessary. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, click on that subscribe, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please like this video. If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helped me. It helped the growth of the channel, and also it helped me to put more good content out there for you guys. Okay, share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Is the baby girl Glory. Bye.